So here we have taken a sheet to make a strawberry, as you can see in the video. So folding it up in this way, that shapes like a strawberry. So just folding it up. Now making its leaf by using this green sheet, cutting it up, applying over it, dotting it up with pen, it's ready. In the next, we are going to make a moving lip by using this sheet, our red color sheet. So folding the each edges in this way with the help of finger, do the same on other side. It's ready. In the next, we are going to make a piano set. So just using a sheet, making it stable, drawing its keys, making the table. In this, we are going to make a boat. So fold it like this. Here we are using a light blue color sheet. You can use any color you want. It's ready. Now we are going to make a box in this way by using a colorful sheet. You can use any printed colored sheet to make attractive boxes like this. Now we are going to make a flower. So here we are making a petal of the flower in this way, taking another sheet, pasting over it. Now taking this, and it's ready. Now we are making here a interesting toy, as you can see in the video. So just folding it up in this way, as you can see. Wow, little cut on each edges, as you can see in the video. Now open it up in this way, fold it up, make a plate. Now apply the another one over it in this way. Insert a stick, rolling another sheet over it like this. It's ready. In the next, we are going to make a garbage collector by using a sheet. So just folding it up, making it a stick. It's ready. Now we are using a leaf to make a broom. So just grabbing it up and wrapping it up like this by using a plastic thread. Trim the edge of leaf in this way. It's ready. In the next, we are going to make a heart with wings. So just here we have taken a pink color sheet, making its heart, plating it up to make its wing. Now folding the each edges of the sheet to make the heart. Ready. Now here we are going to make a angry bird by folding the sheet in this way, as you can see. It's almost done. Now putting its eyes. Amazing. Now we are going to make a bird. So just making its body with white, its tail with brown, its beak with yellow, its leg with yellow too. Putting its leg in this way, as you can see. Now making the greenery by putting the green sheet around it. Now we have taken a tissue, folding it up in this way to make a cute rabbit in this way. Looking so cute. Amazing.